Why Americans are quitting meat for this unexpected food. Main health problems addressed: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, high cholesterol and heart disease, rising blood sugar and insulin resistance, chronic inflammation accelerating aging. Main promised solution: one unexpected food category that millions of Americans are replacing meat with: legumes, beans, and lentils. Why this problem is dangerous for seniors. After age 60, muscle loss accelerates, arteries stiffen, and blood sugar control weakens. Diets high in animal meat can quietly worsen inflammation, strain kidneys, and raise cardiovascular risk, often without symptoms until a fall, heart event, or hospitalization occurs. Why the solution is critical. This unexpected food provides muscle-supporting protein, cholesterol-lowering fiber, and anti-inflammatory nutrients without the hidden risks many seniors face from heavy meat consumption. Hook. First 30 to 60 seconds. For decades, Americans were told one thing: if you want strength, you need meat. But today, something surprising is happening. According to national dietary surveys, millions of Americans, especially those over 60, are quietly reducing or quitting meat. Why? Because heart disease still kills 1 in every 20 Americans. Because over 40% of seniors are losing muscle every year. And because many don't realize that what they eat daily may be speeding that decline. If you're over 60 and still eating meat the way you did at 40, this could be silently costing you your strength, balance, and independence. Stay with me, because the food replacing meat might surprise you. Authority block. Let me introduce you to the work of physicians and researchers who study aging and nutrition. One of them is Dr. Walter Willett, former chair of nutrition at Harvard, who has spent over 40 years studying diet and chronic disease in aging populations, analyzing data from hundreds of thousands of patients. His research, along with geriatric clinicians across the U.S., has shown that seniors who shift part of their protein intake away from meat experience lower heart disease risk, better blood sugar control, comparable or improved muscle preservation. This is not about trends, it's about long-term survival and independence. Setup: the science, what changes after 60. After age 60, 3 critical changes occur in the body. 1. Muscles become less efficient. Your muscles don't respond to protein the way they once did. Excess protein, especially from red meat, is often not used for muscle, but instead increases metabolic waste. 2. Inflammation increases. Animal fats can activate inflammatory pathways, accelerating artery damage, joint pain, and cognitive decline. 3. Cholesterol handling worsens. The aging liver processes saturated fat less efficiently, raising LDL cholesterol, even if your diet hasn't changed. This is why many seniors develop heart disease out of nowhere. Debunking segment: common mistakes. Mistake number 1: more meat means more muscle. Scientific danger: high meat intake increases inflammatory markers and kidney workload in older adults. Study data: research shows older adults consuming mostly animal protein had higher cardiovascular risk without better muscle outcomes. Patient story: a 70-year-old man eating steak daily still lost leg strength, but his cholesterol climbed into dangerous territory. Mistake number 2: avoiding plant proteins. Scientific danger: seniors miss out on fiber, antioxidants, and gut-supporting compounds. Surprising fact: gut bacteria play a key role in muscle signaling and inflammation control. Patient story: a woman in her late 60s avoided beans for years, later developed diabetes despite eating healthy. Solution segment: core promise. The unexpected food: beans and lentils, legumes. Once considered poor man's food, now embraced by cardiologists, longevity researchers, and health-focused retirees. Scientific benefits: supports muscle without strain, contains plant protein with amino acids, easier on aging kidneys. Lowers cholesterol naturally, soluble fiber binds LDL cholesterol, clinical reductions of 10 to 20%. Stabilizes blood sugar, slows glucose absorption, reduces insulin spikes. reduces inflammation, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, lowers inflammatory markers. Study results. Seniors replacing some meat with legumes lowered heart disease risk by up to 22%, improved HbA1c levels within 6 to 8 weeks, better energy and digestion reported consistently. Specific action plan for senior safe. Daily amount 1/2 to 1 cup cooked beans or lentils. Best meals, lunch or early evening. Preparation tips, soak overnight, cook until very soft. Add olive oil, garlic, turmeric. Transition slowly to avoid bloating. Mid-video CTA. If you're over 60 and serious about your health, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your age and your biggest health concern below. This channel exists for senior longevity, not diet trends. Motivational closing. Aging does not mean decline is inevitable. Many Americans are quitting meat not because it's fashionable, but because they want stronger legs, healthier hearts, fewer medications, fewer hospital visits. Sometimes the smartest move is not adding more, but replacing what no longer serves your body. Your independence matters, your strength matters, and the choices you make today still shape your future. Subscribe for trusted, medically grounded guidance designed for your age and your life stage.